Yeah. Today we got an unboxing to do, and it's a hair trimmer from Wmark with a model number NG2054A. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Alright. Okay, this is a hair trimmer from Wmark with the model number NG2054A, and it's a brushless motor, 2000 milliamp battery, okay, all metal housing, DLC blade, comes with a guide combs. It got 7,200 RPMs. Okay, I guess it's a USB-C also. I don't know. So now let's open it. Yeah, you can order either black or gold. It's a black or gold color. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair trimmer. Okay, so it's really hard. Okay, when you open it, it's like this. Okay, remove this plastic. This is the hair trimmer. This is the hair trimmer. Okay. Okay, it's not a USB-C. No, not a USB-C. And here's it. Okay. And you can zero gap it also. So with Wmark logo. Okay. And the side. The other side. So now let's make a sound check. So you can hear. So this is the Wmark. It's a good hair trimmer, but no USB-C. I mean, no USB charging, just the normal charging. And here is a rubber grip here with a Wmark logo here, and the model number NG2054A. Okay. And here you can zero gap this blade, and yeah, the power button at the side. Oh, this is it, and this is the box. So got 2000 milliamp battery, metal housing, a brushless motor. Okay, 7,200 RPMs. You know, what else do you need? And it comes with a charging dock, 3 guide combs, little brush, and a cable. Okay. 7,200 RPMs, 2 to 3 hours full charging, and 250 minutes operating time, which is good. So for me, the blade is okay, not the best, but it's okay. You know, if you can change the blade, if you have the blade of TPOB, it's much more better than this one. So if you want to take it to a next level, you can put the blade of TPOB. I mean, like a Psycho Blade or Crazy Blade from TPOB, then you're taking it to another level. And we did a test with this blade. It's cut, but not really that good, you know. So I'm gonna show a video, and you're gonna see by yourself how it is. And after the video, so peace, man.